Hi everybody, good evening. My name is Oriana Alzaida Cordova. Today I am going to make a short presentation in how to use the flipgrid tool and how to create the class and at the same time how to create the topic. Okay, flipgrid is a tool that allows students to make oral presentations, challenges, or experiments from home in a fun way. Students will be able to upload small videos dealing with any topic that is proposed by the teachers. Here we have the flipgrid on Google, the word. We enter the first link of Google. Being on the main page, and if we are not registered, we can use a Google and Microsoft or a corporate account. In this case, I have a Google account created. Clicking on sign up. Then we have to choose the classroom. We can select the different age that we want to work. Then on clicking next. Here on the left side we need to give clicking on create a group. Then we are going to name our group. I will choose English activity as a name of our group. Then I will choose the feature of the group. I will choose this one. Then clicking on create. Okay, then we have the join code. With this code, the students can enter to the class, but below we have two options. The first one, anyone with the link can access, that is like a public form. And in the second, that I prefer to use this one, we have another option, only people we approve can access. This is like a private way. It has more restrictions. In this hub, we have more options for invitation. Clicking on here. The first one is a Google Classroom. Here, if the students have Google Classroom, they can link the class with Google, and in this way, all the students who are enrolled in Google will be imported, and they will be the only ones to be able to enter, only in this part. The second one is a student email. We can add a list of the students. It can be corporate emails, and this list could be attached. And in the last one is the student's username. I will choose this one for example. Click it on continue. Then with this list, with the first name and the last name and a username, the students who are here registered, they can access. For example, I write an example. Sophia. Sophia is a student of our class. The last name is Martinez, and the username could be Sophia123. And clicking on add a member. Here we have the addition properly, and then clicking on save. Or okay, we have already created the class. Now we are going to change the feature of my class. Click it on here, edit group. In this case, I am gonna change the feature. This one is more appropriate. Click it on refresh. Okay. Then We are going to create the topic. The topics are the questions for the students. In this case, we are gonna make a short request. Hello, introduce yourself. Then we can click on add a description. Um, it can be more details. Tell me please about your life for knowing you better. Okay. Then we have elements about the topic. Here we can add an image, we can add a vid, we can record a video right here, we can add emojis, stickers, GIF. In this part we can upload videos, and this one we can upload videos from YouTube or Vimeo, or just with the URL URL link, and here we can attach documents or files. The recording time, it could be until 10 minutes. We are gonna select this one and then clicking on create topic. Here we already have the topic create. This is the link we can access. Let's Control B, or we can just right click it on here, and then we open another page and paste the link, and we have the topic. You can see on the screen the topic. Hello, introduce yourself. Okay. Okay, this explanation was a short one. Since this application has more options, I only took into account the creation of the classroom at the topic. Thanks for your attention and patience. See you in the next time. Bye.